Company Wrench and MKT Manufacturing Inc. come together to offer new fully integrated excavator hung pile driving systems that are now available for rent and sale. With upgraded functionality and no assembly required, the package is ready to roll off a lowboy trailer and begin driving pile immediately. This new adaptation of the industry-proven MKT V5 ESC Vibratory hammer saves on fuel, manpower, and is more environmentally safe. MKT Vibratory hammers are one of the leading pile driving attachments due to their simple, rugged design. They are a proven technology that has been used on crane pile driving applications for the last 20 years and have modified the unit to be able to work from an excavator. With an additional adapter, operators can drive and extract timber pile, as well as large diameter pipe. Company Wrench's engineering team has fully integrated the excavator attach system by interfacing the control panel to the machine, installing an auxiliary hydraulic circuit with priority flow control, and modifying the excavator joystick grips for all functions and interlocks. This alleviates the need for an auxiliary power engine and hydraulic hoses running to the attachment, erasing the need for a remote control operator, reducing diesel fuel expenditure by 4 to 5 gallons per hour, and reducing the risk of environmental contamination due to leaking hydraulic hoses. By integrating all controls to the joystick, the excavator operator can control all systems from inside the cab. To offer maximum versatility, the modified excavator hung attachment can still convert to a crane hung scenario with a traditional power unit. Additional information and rental availability can be found on www.companywrench.com.